I stumbled upon this small piece of scrap wood just lying around. The moment I saw it, an idea sparked. Why not turn it into something beautiful? So I picked it up and got straight to work. The idea for what it could become was already clear in my mind. I grabbed a ruler and a pencil, carefully marking where I needed to make the cards. After marking, I used a handsaw to cut it precisely. Here it is after cutting and sanding with the sharp corners rounded off. It is now transformed into a perfect wooden cube. Now you know what I am making. It's a wooden Ludo dice, not very practical for gaming but perfect as a decorative piece. I marked the position for the dots and drilled them using my DIY carving tool. The rest of the holes were drilled in the same way. This is homemade clay. I mixed red and black acrylic paint into two separate lumps of clay to fill the holes in the dice. I filled all the holes with clay just like this. After filling all the holes with clay, I sanded the dice again. To protect it, I applied a generous coat of clear varnish.